Hi everyone, it's me again, Jady Kreativ. So happy to have you back today. If you have clothes with holes that are too big to ignore, don't throw them away just yet. Today's video is all about fixing holes by turning them into simple decorative shapes. These are simple shapes, but they can completely change how a damaged piece looks. So instead of hiding the hole, let's make it part of the design. And I'm sure you can already guess what the first shape is. Okay, let's take a closer look and see how to make it. If this idea gives you inspiration, don't forget to hit like and save it for later, and if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and sew along with me. Thank you so much for your support. finished stitching but it doesn't look straight or neat. Don't worry, I'll show you a simple trick to fix it, no need to start over. Keep watching. As we go through each shape, you'll notice that the technique stays simple. It's really about patience and stitch placement, not complicated skills. And once you understand the basic shapes, you can mix them, resize them, or turn them into your own patterns. If you're still watching, take a moment and imagine how many clothes in your closet could be saved with just a few simple stitches like this. You can use these ideas on sweaters, jeans, kids' clothes, or even bags. And that's how you can fix larger holes using simple shapes and hand stitches. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which shape you liked the most and which one you'd want to try first. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more hand sewing repair and restyle ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next on.